Alright, I got the high capacity Nintendo battery for the Wii U Gamepad. Let's get it open. Warnings. Blue, right? Gosh. Instructions. Interesting. All right. Huh. Looks like it's very simple. Sorry, I'm reading it. It says to turn off the gamepad, loosen the game cover, or loosen the cover on the back. So just loosen this guy right here. Pop it up. Take the screws out. I'll just show you. Easier this way. Very simple. Come on, focus. There we go. Very simple. Got I don't know how many pins that is. Got a simple 4-pin connector for it. Alright, let's do this. Smaller than that. Wow, yeah. Make sure you get a tiny little baby screwdriver. Let's put this guy. A little bit more on this one. Don't see why. There we go. There she is. Interesting. So that's the battery that it starts with. And yet, look at all this free space. Interesting. Alright, so we click out that little guy. Take him out. Simple. Very important. Now we are waiting 10 seconds. If you put the new battery in too soon, cause a little overload. If it's recently been used. I haven't recently used it, so it's fine. Fits nicely, actually much nicer than before. It fits very nice in there. Let's see, a little arrow. Sorry, let's see a little arrow right there. Let's see a little arrow icon here. That guy just gets tucked up in there, like so, and make sure cables are pushed evenly down. Snug, snug, very nice. And let's put the screws back in, and the screws actually never, the screws never fully come out. They're in there, which makes it easier. But do it from the top part first. Drop it in. Simple. And righty tighty. Lefty loosey. Maybe. I'm not an idiot. Boom. And boom. Okay. So we're looking at the screen also. There we go. Alright. First thing after you install.
And that's me installing the Wii U Gamepad high capacity battery. This is most certainly not dubbed over because I was so tired and I didn't know how to talk. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video. This has not been altered in its original footage in any way. Shut up.